Siyanemukela nonke Thine Maswati Ngenfokozo neluthambo
Sanibonani ngiyanemukela eSwazi Trails ligama lami nginginana Sam. Welcome, siyabonga ukuthi nifikile thina la Swazi Trails ke sithengisa timbote adventure.
Okay, siyabonga kusemukela eSwazi Trails ke nana. Sichazele kabanti kana indzawo iSwazi Trails Adventure ukuthi nasikhuluma ngeSwazi Trails sisuke sikhuluma ngani, what services or products are found lapha eSwazi Trails.
Okay, Swazi Trails ke itholakala eMandenga Lifestyle Center on your way to Mandenga Lodge. So Swazi Trails is an adventure tour company that sells tours, adventure stuffs like your quad biking, your rafting, and also siyasebenzisana nemaloloja lapho sithengisa khona i-canopy tour. So also we tap into corporates where we do team building. Thina ke kumcoka ukuthi mawutala khaya kithi usayine i-indemnity form. Le indemnity form iqiniseka ukuthi whatever happens kwakho utitele wena. Ufawe fa. Sengukuthi thina we do take precaution of course, but ke masawusayina sawuthike wena uyavumelana konke lekutawendeka because we do adventure stuffs which are outdoor. So ngiloko lesikwenda kola khaya. So with me here nginalama indemnity forms linda wasayina ngoba niya for quad biking.
Good afternoon everybody. My name is Denzel. I'm going to be, and this is my colleague Sipo. So we're going to be taking you on for the quad biking. Okay, guys, this is what we're talking about when talking about a quad. It's basically almost, as you can see, it's also 4 wheels as well, like a car. So basically what happens is, now if you come close here, so basically this is the steering wheel that I've actually cut in half and stretched it, right? So basically now, with a car, the difference is everything else is on the foot. Everything is on the foot, but now acceleration is on your hand. That's the only thing that's different. It's on your hand, and then now brakes are also on the foot, but here we've got them on both sides. We've got them on hands, and then if you look down here, there's this here, which is a foot brake. I say use it if you do remember. Come behind me.
Empumalanga entshonalanga eningizimu nasenyakatho kuphina kuphi lapho kufinyela khona umsakazo wesiSwati eSwatini TV. Ngiyakuvusela ngakumukela elihlelweni Buhle Betfu sihambisana neSwazi Tourism Authority sithi Hlomangwane vuka uvakashe. Libito lami ke ngengiyani wakamsibi. Ngikwemukela elihlelweni nje, it's another exciting episode lalo ke lihlelo. Kansika ke silapha eSwazi Trails Adventures khona lapha ezulwini ngemuva kweGables nawubheka eMandenga. La ngihlethi khona ngihletike khona esidududweni kansika ke sidabe basifundisa kabantu ukuthi ngabe sidududu sigibelwa njani, uhamba njani mawuhamba ngesidududu. Kansika ke eceleni kwami nginaye ezinhle wakadube ezinhle. Awuchazele babukeli ukuthi ingabe uva njani lapho la ukhona khona namhla nokuthi ingabe yini lo ibhekile wase wayidayini kulena ndzawo.
Ngicela ngekuthi angizange sengidegeyani. Ngiyaqala lokho ukuthi ngijabule kakhulu ngithokozile ngesatogibela dududu ngisafuna ukusigibela nami ngisishayele ngive ukuthi njani ehlala esidududweni.
Okay. Ibhayisikili wase waligibela nje sokugibela esidududu.
Angizange ngiyanze ngigibele ibhayisikili. Ngizabe ngicala ngalesidududu. Ngifuna ukucala ngalokho ngigcine ngalokuncane.
Okay. Ungathini ukukhuthaza ababukeli emakhaya ukuthi bede lapha eSwazi Trails batobona naku bagibela nasidududu losigibela?
Ngabakhuthaza ababukeli emakhaya ukuthi bede batogibela sidududu. Akusikugibela sidududu kuphela bayakhona neku-relax abakhohlwe inkinga tabo letendeke emakhaya emisebentini bakhone kuhlangana nemindeni ngathini ba-reconcile nemindeni kahle kahle get together bangayenda nje la dudududweni.
How are you feeling right now? Are you nervous? Are you happy? Are you excited?
Both nervous and happy at the same time. Yeah.
Alright, mbukeli sowushito kezinhle ukuthi ayi uthokodile kuba lapha ehlelweni. Wena ke lapha ekhaya hlala nami sithi Hlomangwane vuka uvakashe. Asambeke.
Okay, let's you can come through. There we go.
Solo selihlelweni Buhle Betfu sithi Hlomangwane vuka uvakashe. Lapha ke la sengime khona ngime Legends Backpackers Lodge lokusolo kungilenye ingcenye yayo ke iSwazi Trails Adventures khona lapha ezulwini. Kanti ke ngile nje indzawo nayo kumbe nabe awuyati kahle but awusichazela kabanti ke ukuthi ingabe lena ndzawo inani futhi yona ke yenda ini njengoba phela ingcenye yayo ke iSwazi Trails Adventures. Eceleni kwami ke nginaye Nelisiwe Lotso uyasichazela ukuthi ingabe nasikhuluma ngayo iLegends sikhuluma ngani. Sicela uvusele babukele uthi chaza ukuthi ungubani wakabani uyini lapha ekhaya.
Angibukele babukeli ekhaya Giyani ligama lami nginginelisiwe ngwakadlamini ngingi-duty manager at Legends Backpackers Lodge ngivame kusebenza night shift.
Okay, Nelisiwe sichazeleke ngayo iLegends Backpackers Lodge ukuthi nasikhuluma ngayo indzawo leyenda ini kunemakamelo uma akhona mangaki yini ama activities latholakala neusike lo ufuna ukuthi atolala lapha kuhamba njani khona.
Okay, Giyani iLegends Backpackers it's an accommodation establishment. Sinema private rooms lang 12. Accommodator ngekwehlukana kwawo sinala accommodator 2 webamfu ema twin beds sibe nalana ema double sibe nema dormitory 5 dormitories ema domini kulala 10 to 12 people siphinze futhi sibe ne camp area yona ke kuhlukene yungeta nelithende lakho utokemba okay then kukhona lamanye nangabe bathona sivame kucaterisha ngawo ngebushfire festival.
Okay.
Wona ke siyaye sibaphintshele babukeli noma ema guest tab.
Uyachaza kuse kunemakamelo la 12 sichazele ukuthi ngabe wona ke lapha ngekhathi kunani nani ngekhathi ke kulawo makamelo.
Okay, ekhathi egamelwe njengoba bese ngishito Giyani ahlukahlukene sinalang 6 anema double beds la ekhathi utofula situlo sekuhlala nelitafula. Then lawa lana ma twin ayafanana onke ngekhathi la setup then ke kulama dome nakhona situlwana la ngahlala khona li guest lefu nelitafula.
Sichazela kabanti ke ngale camping site yenu ukuthi itholakala ngakuphi na lapha eBackpackers Lodge nokuthi ke ngiyang provide yini noma ngidana ko lelo tende lami.
Lithende uyatiphathela i-camp area yefu ingemuva kwema rooms engemuva kwema dormitory efu nema private rooms lamanye shothi njengemuva kwe reception. Lithende lakho uyatiphathela khona ngale ngase camp area kune boma area la khona ungakhona kubasa khona nangabe unenyama yakho ubray.
Okay.
Yes siyabasa nje njalo Nthambama.
Okay. Ngiyakhona ukuthi ngide nemndeni wami ema activities la khona nje nangisehleti ngikhembe lapha ekhaya leso sikhashanyana nani ama activities la now.
Thina la khaya si self catering lokusho ukuthi umbukeli angatiphathela kudla kwakhe sinelikhishi ekhathe kitchen level uthola titsha emabhodo ne fridge nelikhabethe la khona ungakhona kubeka khona timfo takho. It's very good ke now tene family yakho njengoba sengishito it's a big place. Ngaya ngasebenzisa i-camp area ni braai siphindze futhi sibe ne conference room ibigcene ne TV room nangabe kunebamfana nanini badzala ningakhona kubukela ekhathi e-TV room uphindze uphole nendzawo yekudlala kune darts kune table tennis lapho nje babukeli bangadijabulisa khona.
Okay, siyabonga kakhulu Nancy.
Siyabonga Diyana.
Babukeli siyanemukela solo sisemandenga Lifestyle Craft Center nyelo sise Smoke and Grill. Nyelo ke la Smoke and Grill ionishwa ngisipho one of laba mfula laba siphekela inyama lemnanze kakhulu. Nyelo sina sisile lo tasitshela ukuthi lana embiketfu siphetheni nokuthi utabe endani. Kunjani sisile?
Ngiyaphila sisonjani?
Ngiyaphila nami. Ngicela usitshele ngabandi ngawe nalokuthi la Smoke and Grill ivulwe nini nendani la embiketfu utabe usikhombisana.
Okay. Smoke and Grill savula last year December. Is there's cinema, beef ribs, pork ribs, lesonda golamnanzi. Yes, it's a mixed grill for 2 people. Le pulled pork ndaenda yofana le pulled chicken na isosi na stawanda ikoso siyibhide kukutaba likhabishi ne carrot. Lama tourists athanda lama pulled chicken na le pulled pork. Ngoba vile kusede kulenye indzawo lesike sakubona. Lona ngisakhile Dlamini. Lo tangisita lana kwenda le pulled chicken na le pulled pork.
Nyalo ngithela le barbecue sauce yethu kula ema pulled pork na pulled chicken yethu. At the same time le barbecue sauce akumele uyithele kakhulu. Because bese kuba mandi kana sikudzingi lokho. Okay, lokhu sisenda ngalana ke sisisile asosifakele ema chips ngale fry.
Nasekavuthiwe lama chips, sidamba siyawafaka ngale kule pulled pork na le pulled chicken aceleni kutohlobisa.
Nyalo ke sengiyagucula lama pulled pork ne pulled chicken yethu khona kutohlangana kahle nale sauce. Njengoba nibona ke kuthi sekuhlangane kahle lana. Shokuthi sekumele sifake lama roti ethu ku microwave. Okay, nyalo ke siyafaka ku microwave yethu. Asifake isikhathi lesinze do. Sifuna nje ukuthi ibe right ishise. Sifuna ukuserve ama customer adle kubanza.
Okay, nyalo sesikufaka kule roti. Le pulled chicken. Nyalo sifaka le pulled pork. Nyalo sesiyayikoca. Nale pulled chicken siyayikoca. Thatha le hlabishi lethu nale carrots ne mayonnaise esikubhicile. Naku sesibeka la celeni. Sesimela ema chips. Nanga lama chips seka ready. Sesitawafaka la celeni kwale pulled chicken. Nje siwafake nakule pulled pork. Pulled chicken and pulled pork.
Ninjani?
Siyaphila sisi.
Siyaphila nathi. La pulled pork yenu. La pulled chicken yenu. Ma spices na sauces yenu kula. Enjoy it. Siyabonga.
Libito lami ngidumsana ngwaDlamini but today lo task leader for head guide ngicabanga sipotfala kuna assistant yakhe ngimi sengimaqhawe and la lendlu lena ngila stressela khona sawuqoka ema overall ukuthi sendele ukuthi sibe uniform or sendele ukuthi nalama picture ethu abukakele akahle sesithole nabo makarabha because phandle kwamakarabha asingeni caving because kunematshe la ngasilimata sesitholeke nelambu even lokhu linje namuhla or noma kusebusuku noma kusemini kuyafanana caving funa singene sibe nema light.
Namhla ke ilanga lesibili solo sikhona lapha eSwazi Trails. Namhla ke sithe ungena emihomeni emigedzeni noma ke ema caves sithe ubona ukuthi wona ingabe ahamba njani. Ingani phela sathi ngokungena sithembe ukuthi wena nemndeni wakho utawuphinza udelana nawe ute uhamba ubone ukuthi kunani kiyoke imigedze. Awu mina ke ngiphethe livalo phinze ngijabulile at the same time njengoba phela ilanga lami lokuqala ukuthi ngihambe kulena ndlela futhi ngeke ubona ukuthi kunani lena emigedzeni. Sahamba ke nalolu bandla ke basahamba nathi bayosilayela basitshelile ke futhi ukuthi kuyini lebhekekile kithi njengoba ngibona ke ngifaka ama overall amhlophe ukuthi sikhona kubonana basilayele ukuthi sifake namagalabha ukuthi sithe uphepha njengoba kunematshe khona lena amagalabha wethu ke unemathoshi ukuthi sikhona ukuthi sikhanyiselane sibone phela indlela sahamba khona ke batawusichazela ukuthi yini lebhekekile kithi saya khona lena.
Ngiyane kuningi lekubhekekile i-team isaya khona le emgedzeni kodwa ke lengingathanda ukubeka ukuthi indlela yethu iyahambeka sibili ayinako ukuthi mhlombeni ingilembi kangako noma kunematshe angakhona ukuhamba hambeka kiwo lengida ukusho ukuthi noma ngakumvana noma ngakungakanani ungakhona kuhamba impela lihlahla ke hayi impela tinanzisa ngebuhle bayo nekuthi uhlale sonke isikhathi usenzaweni le uhamba phansi kwemthunzi.
All right, this is about to get exciting. Wena lapha ekhaya hamba nami sahamba kulelo langa lesibili sithi Hlomangwane vuka uvakasha. Awu Jehova Thixo nofefe hamba nathi sayobona ukuthi kunani emgedzeni. Hlomangwane vuka uvakasha asambele. Sesifikile ke emhomeni sesiyangena njengamanje. I can feel it. I'm about to connect with my ancestors. Ngilandzele singene. Ngiyababona bayagobonzela mina ngeke ngigobonzele.
Siyanemukela Kopolo Cave and the cave le it's a cave yemashe sitting Singisi is the granite rock. So it's called Kopolo ligama lale cave. And only 5% explode. So see in the link 5% the nanjane the discovery the corner 95 still not the discover. And la nanjane kunetilwane letiphila ko la khathi caving la kule cave yethu kunemalilwane kunana bathi dinyekevu sithi my cricket sinana kule bathi di spider and sinalenye lokubukeka ngathi kusa spider ngoma spider sinenhloko ngathi nemgogodla ne what so lokho sikufuna leke khasi but kusethe ligama kona semele ngoma sibasibine team yase Sudan yakho sonke isikhathi letako letato nansi discover le cave jalo ngama February January February bathi khona solvana njani ngoma sol asithola ngagama la lesilwane so simele feedback ukuthi bayithatha abashutha form bahamba bayo science basitshela ukuthi kubeka kanjani
awusezoba lit.
Selingqapho kula manye amavese kude lehlobo lemgedze la khona utothola silamatshe kunehlobo lematshe lonjengalo lehlobo lamatshe luqinile kana alwakhi lamathuphu yabo lamathuphu lamathe wena liyabhidlika nje litakhe libreak kuma-boulders lanjengayapha yabo two-body boulders lanjengayapha kanti bona banalempiketselo phakathi ibamide ibe mathuphu khansi kwesinye isikhathi noma uya kiwo utawukhanza ukuthi utawuba nemandla ukhansi la mali bekahamba bekunemfula hamba shiye ukhansi nalezindonga letinye ukhansi lenze ngoba bese bathi wona ngema-walking caves noma ngama-blue sky caves whereby utawubona le layer lesibhakabhaka ungadi ukuthi utawuphumaphi.
Finally, sesiphumile, sesibuyile le endasi yemgedzeni. It's been an amazing, exciting, nice journey. Sesibuyile ke sike sangena khona lapha nasingena ke sesiphumile noma ngingasinaka isikhathi but we took approximately 1.5 or 2 hours so lesikhathi. We saw some precious beautiful stones and caves and rocks lena kumnanzi lengasho nje kusivele kumnanzi lana. So wena lapha ekhaya mina ngiyakugabatisela ngizibuya nemndeni wakho ungene la sitobuka lokuthi this what I'm talking about is Swazi Trails. Lomgedze lo bewumnanzi impela sihambile. It's my first time kungena la. I was nervous at first but I was curious to know ukuthi kunani kumnyama ke kundima le and khona la na uhamba deep kufike kube khona ne sound lemnanzi yemfula nase uthule eduze cima amalambu. It's pitch black kumnyama bese sekuvakala lomfula. Mina ngienjoyile ihlelo belumnanzi ihlelo ngikhuluma ngalo Buhle Betfu sesihlomangwane vuka uvakashi sihambisana neSwaziland Tourism Authority. Siyakukhuthaza ke ukuthi nawe buya nemndeni wakho. Ngisana ngifika lena ke I took some time ngenda self introspection ngiconnecta with my ancestors. It was really an amazing journey. This is Swazi Trails nawe lapha ekhaya buya. Kanti ke ungakhohlwa ke phela ukuthi na ufuna kuvaka bandi noma ke ngaso lesicebo sanamhla episode yanamhla ungasithinza ekhasini lethu la ka Facebook lithi Buhle Betfu ubhale sitakuphendvula thine sikhathi sesivuma ukuthi sale ngikhwesha manje. Alright, sesekhakli phadli ke manje. It's been an exciting day. Siqale kuyo ke i-caves ahamba kwaba mnanzi sihamba ke nabo bosisi but asicocela ukuthi ngabe lusuku balikhanze lunjani. Nana ingabe how has your day been?
Sesithiniwe nje ngoba uyabona wena Giyani masingena lapha emhomeni bekumnanzi impela so kanye lo ngoba sasithiniwe sesithatha ikhadi liphade emandini lashisako sesitosudha uyabona singcebeleke ngiloko nje namhla bekumnanzi kakhulu.
What can you say kukhusata labanye ukuthi baye bete eSwazi Trails batova nabo umnanzi lokuvila?
Ngithi abete eSwazi Trails ngoba siyaye sikubuta thina umuntu eSwazi Trails ukuthi what did you do today, what will you do tomorrow.
Usuku lanamuhla it was a bit exciting kakhulu enjoy kakhulu lokuhamba cave Kopolo cave. It was scary but interesting at the same time. I think kuthiwe angiphinze ngibuyele khona like ngabuyela ngigijima. It was so exciting.
What was the most difficult part about the Kopolo caves?
As ngilokuhamba la ngekhathi because unehla niyakhuphuka nginemache ngende kanihambe ndlele phasi but logo it was nothing.
Can you recommend my families and the Swazi nation at large ukuthi bayivakashele iKopolo cave?
Ngiyabakhuthaza ababukele emakhaya ukuthi bete bayivakashele iKopolo cave.
All right. Sihle. Awusichazele ukuthi ngabe wena ke lisuku lakho ulikhanzela njani kusukela sivuka ekseni sahamba kiwo ema caves kude kube ngimanje. How has it been?
Oh, my day was very exciting. Ngicala naloku ufika le emhomeni and bekulukhulu. Mina ke ngiyadisabela kuhamba nje majeli. La maje bekalukhulu kakhulu but it was very exciting. It was a very good experience. Yebo.
Ungasabi ukuthi utawushelela
Yebo ngisaba kakhulu but apparently kunebamfula bakhona ukusguide kahle basguide along the way basiphethe kahle kakhulu. Nangabe uyisaba bayakhona ukuguide la ndleleni ukhona ekuphatheka kahle nje uzofike uzubuyele emuva.
Nakungathi wabuyela though uthi uyesaba ungabuyela yini?
Ngabuyela kona ke sabeka kumnanzi lokwesaba uva ngazuthi kuba khona lo ma feelings la ba conquered somehow somewhere because uyesaba uphindze ukhone ukuthi uqhubeke uhambe nelihambo lakho kube mnanzi.
I'm sure it was your first time, but utasitshela kabantu ukuthi what did you enjoy the most solo siqalile namuhla?
Lengu enjoy kakhulu ngilokubona the different aspects of the cave because bengicanga ukuthi magic kuphela kanti basikhombise ukuthi kunemfula lekhathi kanye naletinye tilwane labathite letinye nje disede emagama ema scientists athi asatotibuka ngicanga ukuthi ngilolo kube interesting kakhulu.
Bongasabi ngabe yini lobo igatsile nje ukuthi ungahle udibane nako something longazange sawukubona?
Bengisaba ukuthi ngoba indzawo levalekile ngahle kube netinyoka noma tilwane leti ngasilimata but basitshelile lama tour guides ukuthi it's very safe and there are no snakes there.
All right. How's the temperature inside and how scary is it?
It's not very scary to be honest, but some sections are very cold. Uba ngathi nje usekhathi emakhateni fridging.
Would you recommend it to eMaswati and families ukuthi bawavakashele eMagobolo Caves?
Ngak-recommenda nje kakhulu, it's a lifetime experience. Angicabanga ukuthi khona nje i-adventure lenjena lengake ngaba nayo empilweni yami. So I think eMaswati kumele yindzawo lekumele bayivakashele.
Bowatini noma bowucabanga ukuthi there is such a place lapha eSwatini?
Cha bengazange sengive ngalendzawo.
Now, what does it tell you about tourism in the country, the Kingdom of Eswatini?
I think there's a need to promote tourism much more, especially among Swazis. Ngoba sitshela ukuthi siyatati tindzawo tala Swatini kani kunengi lesingakwati loku lekusamele siku-discover ngale live lethu.
Ngithemba ukuthi vele ke mbukeli, it was one of the nicest experience. Labanye bebangadi ukuthi the Kingdom of Eswatini has more to offer. Wena lapha ekhaya vakashela eGobolo Caves utobona ukuthi bumnanzi bakhona bunjani. Lokho silapha eswimming pool ke nana utasichazela kabanti ke yena ukuthi ingabe luhambo luhambe njani. Nana ake usichazele.
Okay, so i-caving yethu eSwazi Trails ihlukene kabili babukele emakhaya. So there's caving with hot springs lecala nga 4:30 entsambama till 9:30. Leyaye kwendeke ukuthi nifika e-office lethu nikhethe amapizza ni sign ema-indemnity and then bese ke ema-guides ethu anisa le emhomeni. Manicetha ke khona kulama hot if nikhethele ema-hot springs nibese nintela e-cuddle pad nihlala khona niyangcebeleka sendlela amapizza enu phinze ninathe nema-drinks. And then ke sekune day caving ke babukele icala nga 9:30 isuka e-office lethu yona ke bese igcina le kubo 2 leyo ke niyahamba nyele emgedzeni ningene nishayela ama-routing ekhathi bese manicetha seniyakhululeka nibuyele ekhaya. Siyathemba ukuthi babukele lokhu senibonile info lenhle kanjena lekhona kangwane, the second biggest cave in the world ilakithi in the Kingdom of Swatini. Siyathemba ukuthi ndokuda nisivakashele. Siyabonga Giyami.
What more can I say? Sabakhulumile ukuthi invest in the tourism of the Kingdom of Eswatini. It has been a nice day, a nice 2 days indeed. Lokhu sesilapha nami ngisafuna ukuthi kufaka imilende kancane noma ngasiyo lo wathanza ke manje ngidawuthi nje 1212 ngikhweshe manje qimheshe siyabonga.